I left a sign with a candle in the street light that shone below, where through the night the people dance in linen and smoke. I still remember her song in my head, each palm in time, every face in that light, as their mouths bellowed. Now they tell me she's just vanished, some other place by the sea. But to me she was banished, by herself, not by me. And though I still remember the streetlights alone, now dull in the night, and the dance has gone quiet, but the sea still bellows. See the island on fire, and the towers alight, built in silos of sea, underneath every street. Lilies spoke of a city's bones, an ancient rubble of time and stone, where the walls tremor under the sky, covered day after day by the tide. Could I save them if I tried? If